Also now in Photoshop 2020, you can easily convert your smart objects back to layers. Instead of double clicking them and moving to BSP file, you can convert them back to layers. So let's maybe select these two layers in here, pressing Command or Control and clicking on that kicking layer, right clicking these two layers. Then here we have convert to smart object. Now we have a smart object and we can see that icon in here. We can always double click that layer to access them from here, maybe doing any retouching in here, then saving that and going back to our file. Or instead, let's close that one. We can right click our layer in that area. Now we have that option to convert them to layers back again. So clicking that one, we have that neat folder. So by expanding that folder, we can see our layers. We can easily re-edit them in here, maybe for faster workflow in some cases. And anytime you'd like to ungroup these layers, again, you can select your folder, then pressing Command or Control Shift G, and they are back exactly as they were.